So hello folks, good evening from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Tingnan natin ang night view ng Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and mainly puntahan natin ang King Fahd Fountain. So ewan ko kung nakikita ninyo, pero may malaking fountain dyan sa harap natin ngayon. Yan. So yung fountain na yan ay very visible from Palestine Street, kung saan nasaan tayo. So I believe it's the highest fountain attraction dito sa Saudi Arabia. So yan. So ito, napakaganda ng Palestine Street. It's made of cobblestones. I'm not sure kung marinig niyo yung road noise. Yeah, but at the same time, puntahan ito lalo sa gabi ng mga gustong mag-unwind. King Fahd Fountain is already in the shores of the Red Sea. So coastal area na po yan. So unfortunately, yun nga, traffic tayo dito. Okay, so ayun, after a few minutes of traffic, we're back again in front of that fountain. I'm zooming in yan, so makita nyo napakataas niyan, and it's also very majestic. Sa gabi, napakagandang tignan. I'm not sure about the distance ng kanyang buga, but I think if I'm not mistaken, it's about 100 meters high. So yeah. So the King Fahd Fountain is along Al-Hamra Corniche. So itong unang Corniche sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. So on my right is the most expensive hotel dito sa Jeddah, ang Ritz-Carlton. So, try to zoom out, makita natin. So ito ang the Ritz-Carlton Jeddah. So yeah. So, dito tayo sa daan ng Al-Hamra Corniche. Sa roundabout to see to go the other direction. So always at night, napakaraming tao dito. Puntahan ito para mag-unwind, mag-picnic. Yan sa ating left, ang daming sasakyan. So, U-turn tayo sa roundabout. Balik tayo. Okay, so ito yung roundabout. What is distinct about Jeddah is lahat ng kanilang, maraming roundabout dito, at lahat ng kanilang roundabout ay may magandang structure sa gitna niya. So it's never boring and it's never repeating. Walang roundabout na the same ang design. So yun, in this case, in Al-Hamra roundabout, it's a fountain. So we're back at the Corniche, Al-Hamra Corniche Road. So ayan, makikita natin mamaya as we turn left. We should see the fountain again. So ang dami tao. It's Sunday evening. It's the first day of the week, first working day of the week. And yet at night marami pa ring tao kasi puntahan talaga to. It's always a good way of unwinding and soaking in the view, the ambience, the atmosphere. At the same time, marami rin ang nagwo-walking dyan, jogging. So it's a stress reliever in short. Mahirapan lang ang parking dito sa dami ng tao. So you need to really try to come in early or have some luck pag pumunta ka sa mga ganitong peak hour at talagang tsambahan na lang ang parking dito. So dati wala itong mga barrier sa right side natin, so some construction must be going on there. Marami rin kainan dito sa left side, and they have a view of the fountain and of the sea. So ayan, si ate kuya holding hands. Sana all. Dito rin sa area na to maraming mga hotel, mga 5-star, 4-star hotels, which is expected considering napakaganda ng area. So this is basically a prime neighborhood. Napakahirap kumuha ng titirahan dito sa lugar na to kasi fully booked na lahat yan, and majority of them are not for rent, it's for sale. So yeah, dito sa Saudi you can own properties. Pwede ka naman bumili ng properties. So if you can afford it, it's very expensive though, but yeah, as long as you can afford it, that's possible. Okay, so nandito pa rin tayo sa stretch ng Corniche. I'm not sure if you can see but on the left side was the flagpole with the flag of Saudi Arabia. But mamaya tignan natin yan. Right now, tignan natin ang ibang view perspective ng fountain. Okay, so we're still within the Corniche Road of Al-Hamra district. Oops. Yeah. So even dito sa lugar na to, maraming nagpipicnic. I'm going to the right side. I'm entering the beach area. Makikita mo it's dark, but in the beach side may mga sasakyan, maraming sasakyan. And let me see. We had a very good view of the fountain. Ayan. So kaya maraming tao na nandito rin kasi even though it's dark, well, it's not pitch black because Saudi Arabia cities in general are bright. There's so much light, but here you can just see napakaganda ng view ng fountain. And at the same time, ayan, dagat na yan. Right, so let's go. And of course, dahil maraming tao dito, marami tayong makikitang mga ice cream trucks. Okay? So yan, yung truck dyan sa harapan ko na maraming ilaw. Yan. This is an ice cream truck. Yan. So nagbebenta yan ng ice cream, which is fitting for the summer climate of Saudi. Okay. Sometimes lang ang problem is the garbage, but there are designated cleaners in this area. So yeah, even at this time of night, may mga cleaners dyan na naglalakad at pumupulot ng anuman basurahan. So yeah, Saudi is one of the cleanest countries. Meron silang dedicated cleaners to maintain the cleanliness, and that will be apparent if you have seen the roads kanina. Very clean yung road. So yan, so aside from the cleaners that are picking the rubbish, meron din mga machine that are also cleaning the road, basically mapping the road. Ayan. So itong harap natin is it's a condominium unit. So ayan, and yun yung flagpole. See, you can see the flagpole there. Napakalaking flagpole niyan, and it's nice to see because the wind is blowing, and it's really showing the glory of the Saudi flag. Andyan yung Holiday Inn sa harap natin. So let's go, let's see kung malapitan natin yung flagpole and have a good view, good perspective of it. So also in this area is the Jeddah Islamic Port, and of course yung fish market. Yeah. So the Jeddah Fish Market andyan. So napaka-busy niyan, especially early morning. Dumarating lahat ng mga huli. So marami ang namamalengke dyan. So another roundabout here, and you can see yung design sa gitna is again different. Pakyat tayo ng tulay. U-turn tayo dun. Let's take the Andalus route. Okay, so ayan, we're back. This is now the Andalus Road. And so here we can see another perspective of the Jeddah flagpole. Sana lang makita ng maayos. Okay, let me zoom in. Pag-akyat natin ng tulay, we should be able to have a good view of the flag. Oh, but the wind is in a different direction, so medyo nakatago yung flag from our perspective. Let's see. Oh, medyo tago yung flag. But anyway, yan siya, nakalagay niya. Right. Nice. That's very nice. And so this is one of the biggest roundabouts dito sa Jeddah. Ito yung Alhambra Flagpole Roundabout. So yeah, ingat lang dito at talagang mga sasakyan dito ay napakatulin at nag-aapura. Kasama na ako ron. Okay, so now we are in King Abdullah Road. Maganda rin ang King Abdullah Road. Flagship road din ito ng Jeddah. So when I say flagship road, so there would be a lot of nice buildings. It's basically a prime area. So normally in Saudi, any road, avenue, or highway for that matter, it is named after the king. Ayan, may mga main thoroughfares yan. Yung mga secondary roads are named by a prince. Okay, are named after a prince. So the road gets their name befitting yung kanilang qualities. U-turn tayo mamaya dyan sa Prince Majid Road. At ipapakita ko sa inyo yung pinakamalaking TV dito sa Saudi. So yung TV niyan is mainly used for advertisements. So unlike billboards, a lot of the billboards are static. Sometimes meron silang mga kumbaga 2 second, 3 second ayun. So kung nakita niyo yung brightness na yun, that was the glow coming from the TV. Let's take the U-turn para makita natin kung gaano kalaki yung TV niya. So tayo. If you notice, this is a 4-lane road at dami pa rin sasakyan. So yan. So U-turn tayo. And there you go. And yan, yung bright light in front. Yan yung TV. So that's mainly used for advertisements na makikita mo in TVs or in YouTube, for example. Yan, dinidisplay nila dyan. I hope as we go closer, magiging visible and legible yung mga design. Yan. So just look at that. Just look at that. Laking TV yan. It's a big distraction sa mga travelers, but at the same time you can't help yourself to have a glance to see kung ano yung binibenta or ina-advertise yan. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for coming with me for this quick joyride and night ride in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Stay safe, folks, and until the next episode, God bless. Bye.